Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make or require Windows to ask before switching between normal and tablet mode on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile, and then on the left side underneath system, you want to select tablet. And on the right side where it says when I use this device as a tablet, click the drop down and select where it says always ask me or select ask me before switching modes. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.